Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anna. This is the first time that I'm showing myself in front of the camera. I just wanted to introduce myself a little bit. I am from Mexico, but I live here in Canada. And I'm going to show you how to make these cute little drops here. How to make them look super realistic and colorful. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching. Alright, this is the book that I choose and this is gonna be the page. I also gonna pick some colors that I like. I think these ones look cute. I'm just gonna put it on the side. And I also have my iced coffee with me, and so let's start. We're gonna start drawing some drops whenever you want your drops to be on the page, just with a black marker. They can be small, big, doesn't matter, as whatever you like. And then we start coloring as regular as we always do, any color that you like. We just have to color inside of the circles that we have. More and more coloring. Doesn't matter if the circles are not perfect because we're gonna fix them at the end. Perfect, I think I'm almost done. For the next part, we're gonna use a gray marker and a white pen. It can be acrylic or gel, doesn't matter. And we're gonna start with this drop. We'll start by outlining the circle using our gray marker. Inside the circle, we have to start tracing along the edge, making the line thicker at the top and thinner at the bottom. Now we're gonna repeat the process for the outside, but reverse it. Now we'll do thicker at the bottom and thin at the top. I know it doesn't make sense right now, but it's gonna get better as we continue with the process. Now with our white marker, we're gonna start adding some soft highlights inside the circle to kind of like mimic the shine of the water drop, just like what I'm doing it right here. Doesn't have to be perfect, the size is up to you. And then don't forget to outline all the circle at the end. And just repeat the process for all the drops. Maybe you can add more highlights, maybe some more shadows. Here I show you one more time how to do it. Thick at the top and thin at the bottom, remember. Then you do it, reverse it for the outside. Thick at the bottom, thin at the top. Now some highlights, outline the circle, and there you go. Repeat the process over and over. don't forget about the gray marker, because this makes the water drop have like a shadow on it and it kind of looks more realistic. I just want to say that this is the second video that I made for this channel, so if you're liking it, please let me know in the comments. Let me know what is good, what is not, what I can change. And if you like this video, please subscribe, help me reach more people on my channel, and thank you so much. Remember that your shadows and your highlights, they don't have to be perfect, as long as you like. Perfect. Last details, some more highlights wherever you think they need, maybe some more thick white. And I think I'm almost done, just adding some more white here and there. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, and this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching.